Classics. 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This is a true Z28, would have the L code in the VIN, meaning it does have the 350 underneath the hood, and this is also a numbers matching engine, so numbers matching 350 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. We'll pop the hood when we get around to the end of this video, start it up, let's hear it run. Check out that engine bay. Car has had a repaint somewhere along in its life. Let you get a good look at the front fascia, grille. It's black. You are going to see some imperfections, maybe where there's a touch up here or there, a few spots where there's a little bit of stress in the clear in the paint where it's on the composite fascia components. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can always call us 507-386-1726. You can see the paint still has a nice shine to it though. It will show well in your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Riding on the BF Goodrich radials, Z28 style rally wheels. Go ahead and take a look down the passenger side. It is a black on black, so we do have black vinyl buckets. 4-speed manual transmission along with that 350 underneath the hood. It is a coupe, solid roof car as you can see. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Another little kind of spider web, if you will, or a little touch up. That rear bumper cover's got a little bit of stress to it, but again, get in, have some fun, drive it. Like I said, take to your local roll-in shows, maybe up that Sunday cruise. And this door is not all the way shut up, but let me show you with it. Tight. There you go. And again, we'll start it up here in a second. So you can hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. Go ahead and take a look down the driver's side. Reflection all the way to the front door. Of course, the silver vinyl with the black, with the Z28 graphics. When we get underneath the hood too, we'll check it out. I'm going to show you. We do have headers on there. There's a Edelbrock intake, HEI ignition, Flowmaster exhaust. Take a look at the underside pictures. But again, we're going to check that out here in just a bit. Door panels. And as far as the seats go, really not much for wear, rips, tears, holes on those. Obviously the interior appears, that has also been reupholstered. Dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Hey, fasten seatbelt chime still works. Odometer shows we was 68, 652. Can't confirm or deny whether that's original miles or not. Once the car is a certain age, it does not stay with the title. There's the gas gauge is working here. Tach is also working. It does have an aftermarket Pioneer stereo system to it, and I did have that working also. That is fine. Take a look at the dash. And again, 4-speed manual. Come down in the low idle once you hear it. Sounds like it's got a little bit of a cam to it. It does have a tilt column, by the way. Headliner, let's check that out. And look at that. Headliner looks good. Flip around to the back. Flowmaster, you're gonna have a little rumble out of it. Sounds good. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood top open. It'll take me a couple hands, and we'll check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Got the hood popped open. Again, 350. Numbers matching. Original block engine. Headers, HEI ignition. You see back there. Edelbrock Performer intake. Power steering. Power brakes. Does have a Holly card, FYI. Little dress up with the valve covers being chrome, same as the air cleaner cover. Nice looking engine bay. 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, real deal. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.